we're going to show you somewhere beautiful and affordable. All right, Tara and Jody are doing it. We're on our next camping adventure. We're hoping for free or almost free camping out in the wild.
Or more like a bucket with a toilet lid on it.
We're hoping to be next to the river, which you might be able to see in this video behind me. We're hoping for mountains. Do you want to see how we cook when we winter camp in Overland? Making some yummy dishes for you.
We will give you all the information to stay at this beautiful campground here on the river in the mountains for only $8 a night.
Winter camping in the snow, take 2. Do you like camping when it's cold? All it costs to camp at this beautiful campsite. So we're going to pay it. The way you do that is you do need to bring cash. They're not taking cards or things like that. So you take the $8, you get the little envelope that they had up there, you put your money in the envelope, you fill it out, and then I guess you're gonna do the licky lick and close your money. All right, and then Jody's gonna take it and put it in for us. It's showing level, ladies and gentlemen. It's almost all staked. I think we just need a couple more. And our annex is all set up. We're on a mountainside right along the river. Here's what the annex looks like when it's empty. It has a lot of room. See that? And you might recall that this is a window because we were at the beach recently. From the beach to the snowy mountains. This is Snowy Mountain Trip Take 2. If you haven't watched it, there is another video of us in our very first camping trip in the snow. And this is a different location. What are we cooking tonight? Some may say it's bougie, some may say it's gourmet. I'm gonna say it's the quick camp cooking way to have some good food. It will be shrimp and chicken tacos. Buying these kinds of things make it quicker and easier at camp. Salt and pepper, medium salsa, Cajun seasoning, sour cream, taco mix, Kerrygold butter. You don't have to have Kerrygold. Some baby spinach, cheese, and garlic that's already minced for me. Sometimes I mince it myself, sometimes I use garlic powder, and sometimes I use that. All right, ready? This is the jet boil. There we go. Woo! Almost got my hairs. Okay. You can see I'm probably gonna have to move that so that I also don't burn that. Okay, so the main thing that needs to be cooked first is the raw shrimp. We already put in the garlic and the butter. Okay, we're gonna add a little Cajun seasoning. Not too much. One of us likes things spicy. One of us does not. And I can always add more to mine. I'm the one who likes things spicy. We're gonna add some pepper. I like it ground. And I like a lot of it. I'm not gonna add too much salt because Cajun seasoning has some in it. We're gonna add half the envelope of taco seasoning. And then I wanna kinda make sure these are all well coated and simmering for just a bit. And I'm going to flip them. What would you top your shrimp tacos with? Did I turn this one already, you guys? I don't know. I'm gonna turn them again, okay. Normally, I would top mine with avocado, but I didn't bring any this trip. And what I am gonna definitely top it with is some salsa, and that salsa is actually pretty good. Whoops, let me not start a fire. That Willie's over there, the Willie's medium salsa. So the secret to shrimp is not overcooking it, and not over seasoning it. Now, I'm pretty big on garlic and seasoning, but when you're doing this, you know, just keep that in mind. If you're not somebody who likes a whole lot of spice and garlic and things like that, shrimp tends to kind of absorb that. So if you didn't know that already, I'm letting you know. And you don't want to overcook it. You just want to cook it till it's, you know, kind of changes color and they look almost done. I'm gonna move the shrimp aside and take it out, and then I'm gonna open these chicken breasts. We got these at BJ's. Same thing with the shrimp. Let's taste test and make sure they're cooked all the way through because they were frozen. Am I gonna eat it? Am I gonna eat it off our dirty table? I am. Nobody's eating it now, it's in the mud.
Use a fork.
I can't even. Next up is the chicken. Now this chicken is already cooked and it has some mild seasoning on it. I find that you can layer other things over it. Okay, and we're really basically just heating it up in the seasoning that we already did with the shrimp. Okay, the chicken is cooked, the shrimp is cooked. It was cooked in this amazing goodness. I'm gonna move this pan to the side and I'm gonna put this one on the burner and I'm going to turn it back up and I'm going to heat up our tortillas in here. So it's nice to heat up your tortillas. Some people say it's not necessary, but it is nice to do. I think it just tastes a little bit better. I actually gonna do that and then we're gonna assemble our tacos. All right, we're gonna put some shrimp, all right, cheese, and sour cream.
Okay, ready? Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, the shrimp? Good. All right, guys, we're gonna eat.
Yep, I'm gonna go eat.
Yum. He's getting our mattresses inflated and he's got the heater going. Look, I have to look down, you guys, or I'm gonna fall. If you don't know, I'm clumsy. If I don't fall or warn you guys that I'm about to fall every single episode, then you're probably not watching the right people. There's camp, there's the river, and there's me. But you can see here that we are really on a mountainside. See the mountains? And there's Jody. I'm gonna head back inside. I'm cold. Good morning. You can hear the roaring of the water. It's really nice to sleep by. We love that. That's one of the things we always choose to do if we can, is get next to the water. Helps us sleep. This is comfy. And here's what it looks like. It has this cute little map in the back. And this is the side that we open up to go out. Why don't you show them how we open that to go out? And as you can see, right down there is our iCamper annex.
All right, guys, we may not have all the amenities that you do at some of the places like KOA, or as Tara says, HOA, but we do have a nice walking trail and you can camp along the river. So all these sites here, at least sites 1 through 6, come with a picnic table, a fire ring with a little grill on top of it, and there's a little post over there, which it's called Horse Camp. So I guess you can bring your horses here and tie your horses to those big wooden poles there. I'm not sure because there's obviously we're the only ones here, so let me know if that's what those are for. So there's little eye rings on the top of those posts about 8 feet high. So is that what those things are for? This campsite is primitive, but it does have bathrooms. Or more like a bucket with a toilet lid on it. Close enough. You can see here site number 5 over here. And then there's a site all by itself, site 6 over here. So guys, we camped over there in this corner. So this area of the campground is more of an open area, open field. There's a few little fire pits along the side here, but they're not fire rings, but they are close to the bathroom here.
If you have any questions, then please comment below and tell us. Thanks for liking and subscribing on our channel. We enjoy the communication back and forth with you, and we'll see you on the next adventure.